Finally, I found more cherry blossom flowers. Hi, welcome to my channel, Rubina Crochet Tejido. I'm gonna show you how beautiful my cherry blossom tree look now. It is finished. I found more of the flowers in the Dollarama where I found the first ones. I bought 4 more of the darker pink and 3 of the light pink, and it's perfect. Any angle that you look at it is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that. I absolutely love it. If you have the chance to make one of these cherry blossom tree, do it because you're gonna love it, in your house. This tree give more life to my living room and look amazing, and I absolutely love it. And now from any angle that you look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And the good thing is, since it is made with a branch, if that branch break, I can cut all the zip ties and do another tree. So that tree will last forever. Wherever I go, wherever I move, that cherry blossom tree will go with me because I absolutely love it and everybody love it. Look at that. It look amazing. So I really recommend, if you can make one, do it and you will love it. I'm ecstatic. I'm just really happy with it. Look at that. Love it. Look how gorgeous it looks. From any angle that you look at it, it looks amazing. I love it. And there it is, beside my coat rack. I only have the umbrellas there. It is absolutely gorgeous. And this is what I see when I'm watching TV. And go with my decoration. I love color, and that gives life to this room. It's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. So if you have the chance to make one of them, just do it and you'll enjoy it very much. Well, I've been working on this beautiful free-form neck warmer. It's the combination of knit and crochet. You can wear it any way you like it. The good thing about this is that you can use those leftover yarn that you have and you can create this beautiful design. 2 of them don't going to be the same because this is free form and you will do it, whatever way you like. But I look amazing. I love it. This was the sample piece. So you can don't go with these. I just came back from Costco, so you can wear it any way you like it, and you can use any color you want. I did this part net and the rest crochet. You can do all with crochet if you want, but I like the combination of the 2 texture, and I look amazing, 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 and I love it. And I was thinking, I did the neck warmer, but I was looking at it and say, imagine a sweater like this. That would look amazing. Different color, different stitches, different pattern on the stitch. That look amazing. If you know how to crochet, you can do this. If you know how to do single crochet, slip stitch, double crochet, half a double crochet, elongated double crochet, and it look beautiful. You see, you can move it around and wear it any way you like it because it look amazing. But I think I want to do a sweater like this. It will look amazing in a sweater. Just do 1 more row of these, separate the sleeve and work the body and the sleeve. Will look amazing. I know, don't go with this. This is a shapeless top that I bought at Nora store. It's for all the sizes, but it's so comfy and so relaxed that I put it on to go to Costco to do some shopping. and I look huge. But I started exercising. I know I lost a lot of weight because I can see it in the mirror. My belly is smaller, so and I have to exercise today. But with this shapeless thing, I look huge. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I had to do the tutorial. This was the sample piece. I was playing around with it. You can use leftover yarn. I use a whole ball of yarn, and I will do the other one the same color as this, but probably not gonna look the same because all this was free form, and you work it, you know, whatever, whichever way you like it. But it's really nice, really nice. I really like it. And I went to Costco and I bought a mayonnaise that is the healthiest mayonnaise. If you like mayonnaise and you like to be a little bit on the healthier side, I would recommend this mayonnaise because it's absolutely delicious. That mayonnaise bring me to Cuba when I was younger, when they used to sell mayonnaise in Cuba. Tastes amazing. It's with avocado oil. Maybe you've seen it around. A lot of people that exercise and eat healthy eat this type of mayonnaise because you can read ingredients. Everything that you can read this, you know what it is. I'm gonna avocado oil, water, frozen and pounded egg yolk, liquid whole eggs, vinegar, mustard, water, mustard seed, vinegar, salt, organic rosemary extract. That's it. So I moved to Quebec side, at the other side of the river from Ottawa, and this one cost me 12 something. In Ottawa, cost 18 something, and hardly ever you can find them at Costco. They always go past this mayonnaise. They have it at Walmart, but a little bottle like this is almost $10. It's incredible. And this one, twice the size, 12 something in Quebec, Costco. So if you're Cuban and you can buy one of these, try it. It'll bring back memory from Cuba. Honestly, this is delicious. So I eat a little bit of bread. I usually buy at Costco the triangle bread. They have full of seeds. I freeze the bread, and then from frozen I prepare, I heat it up a little bit, eat the sandwich once in a while. But it's nice to have a little bit of mayonnaise for mashed potato once in a while at home, and it's good to have it. And since I found that one, this is the healthy one that I like, I bought one. Next time I will buy two to have it here, because sometimes they go, and when they go you can find them anywhere. I really recommend it. It's really, really good with Canadian import ingredients. So this mayonnaise is the best. The flavor is vinegary. It's really good. So if you like mayonnaise, you'll love this one. So I really recommend it. So look how beautiful that cherry blossom tree look there. It look amazing. And these go with my other, even with the background of the TV go. Except with this, don't go with this. This is a huge top, but I'm very comfy with it, especially to go to the store with a jacket on the top and stuff like that. That's really comfy. So you see, I used to have there my fall leaves. After I put the Christmas flowers, and then I removed the Christmas decoration. That looks so plain, so off, don't look right. And then I went to the Dollarama and I bought those string of flowers and I put them there in both windows, so it look much better. I go with my flowery theme of all my painting, my cherry blossom and everything else, all the flowers here on the table. So I absolutely love this. So I'm gonna be working tomorrow on the tutorial. I will create a new one. Don't want to be exactly the same because, like I said, this is freeform crochet, but the other one I don't want to do this round crochet with this color. I'm just gonna start right from here. I did this one with circular needle, but you can do this with a straight needle and close it after, or you can crochet this part, but I like knitted. It's much softer around the neck, so that's my plan. That's my plan for this. I absolutely love it. Nice and warm. If you're wearing a top that the neck is low, you can put this on and you'll be nice and warm with a jacket on the top. So beautiful. Perfect for a sweater as well. You know how us designer work, we see something and say, well, we can see something else. You know, like something else that I made is this beautiful bracelet. I may do a tutorial. I love it. They look really nice. So share my videos, please, because I have a lot of subscribers, but my videos don't have a lot of view. So to the algorithm of YouTube, the subscriber don't mean much. What I mean is to have a lot of views, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of comment, sharing the video. That's what is important for the algorithm of YouTube. I was quite disappointed to see how little views my videos getting. They don't getting share or anything, and that's why I stopped mostly doing my tutorials, because I said I'm wasting my time working so hard creating these beautiful pieces and I hardly getting any view. But then I decided I can't stop creating, and I'm starting again slowly, but I'm getting there. So tomorrow I'm gonna start making this beautiful piece for whoever wanna see it. And please, if you think that you can, you know, say thank you by sharing to any group or giving the thumbs up, even putting an emoji or commenting or whatever, you know, just do it, and that will help me a lot. I'm not asking for much. That don't cost nothing, just a little help to continue with my tutorials. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye. And before I go, they are not paying me for the advertisement of the mayonnaise. I wish, but no. It's just that I found something that is really healthy for you and your kids. So if you can find that mayonnaise, you know, it's worth the money because it's really healthy. So now, yeah, bye.